Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
Are much bigger and more powerful than brokers. As a matter of fact, there's absolutely no comparison. Let's say you were rating entities from a scale from 1 to 10. Okay, not necessarily how good they are. Let me just clear that. Not necessarily how good they are. But from what scale would a broker fall in comparison to a bank, Mr. Shazim? From scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, 10 being the bank. Where would the broker fall on that scale, approximately?
0.125%.
Okay. Why is that? Why is that?
The fact of the matter is, Squeeze, a broker cannot offer bank rates. They don't know what the interest rate is. What they do, they try to guess. They tell the borrower, so listen, you know what, I can get you that rate. Don't worry.
Right.
I can get you that rate. No problem. Come on in. Sign the application. What they do now is they get a runner to run to the banks. Okay? They get a runner to run to the banks, and the bank closes the door at 5, say, listen, we can't help you today.
Okay.
Okay? So the broker got to wait tomorrow. In the meantime, he calls in tomorrow, he gets the voice line and so on and so forth. It's just a runaround, a whole big mess. People, you should not deal with brokers simply because you don't know what you're going to get. What they promise today, they cannot deliver tomorrow. Fact of the matter is, you come to the bank, restate the interest rate. I'll tell you the rate right now, 5.875% fixed for 30 years for refinancing, 6.25% for purchasing. Let me say it again in case you didn't hear me. Come to First Republic Mortgage Bank. You may be able to obtain an interest rate of 5.875% for refinancing or a 6.25% interest rate for purchasing.
Now let me say this.
That's the power of a bank.
And that's the government-backed program, right?
Government-backed program.
So let's say the person does not qualify for the government-backed program. Are you still going to beat what it is the brokers are offering?
Absolutely correct. Show it to me.
You're still going to give them a lower interest rate.
We're still going to be able to give them a lower interest rate. Let's say the person don't qualify for the government-backed program. They've got a higher limits on their mortgage. As long as they work and show full income documentation, we will definitely. That's why we got the risk reversal program.
Thank you.
In place.
And what is the risk reversal program for the entire tri-state area that's tuning in, of course, to Link Up Radio 93.5 WVIP?
Risk reversal program, folks. Listen up very carefully. If you have applied to a bank, you have done your appraisal.
Or a broker.
Or a broker, whoever it is.
Or a financial entity online.
Exactly.
Because there are those two.
You have applied for a mortgage, okay? You're not able to get your mortgage for some reason, or they're just taking too long. They don't know what they're doing. They're running, like I said. And you've paid for your appraisal. First Republic Mortgage Bank, by coming with us, showing us proof that you've paid for this appraisal, we will reimburse you for those funds paid up front. That's the power of a risk reversal. Simply because we want to give you the lowest interest rate. That is why we're offering the risk reversal program. We're saying whatever interest rate you've been quoted, even if it's not in writing, we'll still be able to beat that interest rate. That's why we keep talking about a 5.875%, even if you don't fit within the government-backed program. There are other programs available to you. We're talking about EA1, EA2, conforming pricing, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac. I can go on and on about the programs available at First Republic. What you've got to do is be a smart consumer. Pick up the phone, give us a call at 718-325-5555. And by you calling us, we will show you exactly how you can obtain a lower interest rate.
Once again, folks, I've said it. He said it. All right? I've put you on to Shazim Ali. Come on, slow down, man. I'm going to give you all the number. Hold up. All right? But remember, especially the folks who are already homeowners, and you would like to restructure your loan, simply meaning that you would like to pay off all your debts. You know, Christmas is coming, holiday coming, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, all of that stuff is coming. Okay? You would like to take some cash out, all right, like my good friend Robert Tukal. All right, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to unleash Mr. Shazim Ali on you. No, he can't get back on the air right this second, but in the 7 o'clock hour, we'll bring him back on. But give him a buzz right now. The number here is 718-325-5555. That is 718-325-5555. Call me up right now. That's 718-325-5555. Speak with Shazim and find out more about home financing. Now, I'm having an exclusive party later on tonight at 9 p.m. just because the weather is great. It's going to be at the Manhattan Pad. And anyone who texts me, DJ Sean already know about this because him and Stinger Movement is playing the music. Here's what I'm doing. I decide, because I did this over the birthday season, anyone who texts me, I can only take 125 people. It's a rooftop party that we're doing.
A big party, man.
A rooftop party we're doing in Manhattan at the Manhattan Pad. And here's what I'm simply doing. The first 125 people that text me right now, all right, you gotta text me right now. As a matter of fact, let me give you a special text to text. You've got to text the word Jamrock to 25827. That's 25827. Text the word Jamrock to 25827. You are going to be on my VIP list for an exclusive party that I'm doing in the city, rooftop party at my pad. Yeah, at my pad. Shazim, you're invited. You don't need to text, man. At my pad.
I was about to say, what's that text again?
You know who's the one who hooked me up with that pad? Who's the one that handled the financing for that pad?
Oh yeah, we know that.
You know that.
We'll let you say it though.
Okay. John Fahim, I'm sorry, nothing against you, man.
No, it's okay.
Nothing against you.
As long as you mention in the First Republic Mortgage.
Yeah, so we got a little bit of a barbecue going on there. So right now, folks, if you link up, I will get you into that exclusive party. It goes until midnight, 1 o'clock, After 12 o'clock, people live in that building. They don't, especially black folk keeping something down there, Sorry, they say it like that.
No loud music after 12, huh?
You're black! Turn off the music! I'm sorry. I'm just messing. All right, so right now, folks, text the word Jamrock to this number, 25827. I'd like for you to be at the party tonight. Hang out with me, people. And once again, come out in peace, love, unity, strength, and harmony, or they'll throw you out. All right? So that's...